314 super mini Bluetooth batteries. Now, if you see here, I got them side by side with a standard Group 31. So they are a little taller, just a little bit longer, but definitely taller and slightly wider. So essentially I'm going from two 165s, which would give me 320 amp hours, to two 314s, which give me 628 amp hours. I love, I don't think we're gonna have an issue with batteries anymore. Well, that seems to work. We've got both batteries in. We've got a strap across the top and two places that come down, fasten to the bottom and to here. Got a little shelf L bracket there just to help. Why not? Doesn't hurt to be safe. And again, we've already ran our battery wires, so we can go ahead and hook up. I've already labeled them to A and B. Tight quarters, hooking up wires. Didn't bore you with that, so let me bring you up to speed real quick and show you where we're at. So we have our main 4-gauge wires coming this way behind the cabinet, come up and into our shunt trap. Out, we've got dual 4-gauge as well, just double it up, wouldn't hurt. Then from there, everything connects over. We got our two hots from our batteries coming over into our breakers here, so we can kill everything here if need be. But again, these have these switches on them. So we just go and hit the button, hit the button. Both of those should be live. And what we'll do is we'll pull up the app here. It shows my A and B battery. Connect to A. Shows we're at 100%. And then we're able to charge and discharge. Temperature-wise, we're at 74 degrees. Of course, you got your voltages on all your different cells in there. So it shows everything, that everything's nice and balanced. Go over here, click into battery B. We'll do the same thing. Showing our, right now, of course, you know, we're not drawing any kind of amperage or voltage. Temperature. Voltages are all good. Everything's balanced. So that's good. Now again, if you go over here, you can see that we've bound both of those serial numbers to me. So to this app, both of these serial numbers are bound, which means nobody can get in to change settings. Of course, you can go in and do all kinds of different settings and stuff with it. Pretty nice. And again, it's got parallel mode, which is on, showing that, basically telling the app that we've got two like batteries sitting here working together. Now again, a real nice thing about these batteries from WattCycle is, you know, these things, this one is the super smart battery. You got 2,560 continuous watt hours of power. It's a mini design. It's Bluetooth compatible. BMS, smart BMS, where you can turn off charging, turn off, you know, your discharging, all that stuff right from the app, along with your 200 amp BMS. It's IP65 waterproof. It's a wide temperature operating range as well, -4 degrees all the way to 140 degrees. If it gets 140 degrees inside this bus, we got a major problem. And trust me, I won't be camping, so we'll be fine. You know, these things got the super balance, very DIY friendly. Again, these super minis now, I mean, unfortunately they are a little heavy. You know, these things are 60 pounds a piece. However, if you try to go and get that much power out of multiple batteries, you're gonna be way over 60 pounds. So lightweight considering what it is, very powerful, very user-friendly. Again, I kind of wish the app was, you know, had a little bit more features to it, but that's just me and kind of what I've seen using other brands.